Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert address in Google Docs on computer. So how to insert address in Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. To add an address, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this Insert menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap Smart Chips menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap Place. Now here it will appear like this. Type the address you want to enter and tap. Now here I have finished adding the address. This feature allows users to quickly insert addresses in Google Docs using smart features that take information from maps. So that's it, tutorial how to insert address in Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.